Today I am going to talk about another Shanti Mantra from the Upanishads. This can be chanted especially when doing a group activity, say for example in classrooms, or when you are doing a collaborative work in satsangs, wherever people are getting together and doing things together, chanting of this mantra can be really helpful. So as before, I am going to first recite the mantra and then explain the meaning. So the mantra goes like this. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sahana Vavatu. Om is the primordial sound. Seh means together. Now is the both of us. Om Sahanau na Avatu. Sahanau Avatu. So it becomes Om Sahana Vavatu. Seh plus now plus Avatu. Avatu means protect. Seh is together. And now is the both of us. So may the both of us be protected. By whom? By the knowledge of the divine. So that is an underlying expression. Om Sehana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu. Seh is again together. Now is the both of us. Bhunaktu, be nourished. May the both of us be nourished. Sah Viryam Karvavahai. Seh is together. Viryam has many meanings in Sanskrit, but here the meaning is energy. Sah Viryam Karvavahai. May the energy that we generate together, Sah Viryam Karvavahi. How should that energy be? Tejasvina Vadhitamastu. Tejasvi, now, Adhitam Astu. Brilliant. Tejasvi, now is the both of us. Adhitam, attained. Astu, may be attained. So may the energy or the energy that we generate, may it be brilliant. So that attainment should be brilliant. Ma Vidvisha Vahai. Ma is not. Vidvisha, Vidvesh. So may there not be a quarrel amongst us. After we have done all this together, may there be peace amongst us. So Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvisha Vahai. So may we be protected, may the both of us be nourished, may we generate energy which is brilliant, and may there never be any quarrel amidst the two of us. So this is the meaning of the mantra, and as always it ends in may peace prevail. So Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.